Honey is a sticky, thick sugary substance that is produced by honeybees in nature. Honey, also known as nectar, or angbin in Persian, is a dense sugary substance rich in vitamins and other nutrients. In addition to its nutritional properties, honey also possesses various medicinal benefits, so much so that it has been mentioned in different religions. There is even a chapter in the Quran called an-nahl, which means the bee. During their flights over flowers, honeybees extract nectar from the blossoms and store some of it in their honey stomachs. Upon returning to the hive, this nectar mixes with other substances in their bodies and is stored as drops of honey in the structures they build, commonly known as the hive. Interestingly, bees never sleep, thus, during the day, they are busy collecting pollen and storing it in the hive. At night, they consume the stored honey, mixing it with various substances, including diastase. Then, a portion of the water content is extracted by the bees, and the honey is stored again in the hive. Natural honey has many beneficial properties for the body. Honey is a highly nutritious substance containing various vitamins and minerals, as well as a significant amount of amino acids and sugars, all of which contribute to a healthy diet. Additionally, due to its antioxidants and acidic properties, honey possesses antibacterial and antimicrobial effects. One of the benefits of honey for women is its easy digestibility and absorption, making it useful for strengthening the body during periods of severe weakness or recovery. Another advantage of honey for women is that it contains some pollen, which acts as a very effective anti-allergen. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, you can consume a small amount of honey daily at the beginning of the allergy season. The presence of pollen in honey helps produce antibodies in your body, which acts as a sort of vaccine against your allergies. If you consume a teaspoon of honey mixed with a little warm water daily, it can help with calcium absorption and improve memory. It's important to note that honey can be used by people of all ages, except for infants. Ideally, infants should avoid honey until they are 2 years old, as honey may contain some botulinum spores that can cause issues with absorption and digestion in young children. Other benefits of natural honey for both men and women include its use in treating colds, alleviating allergic reactions, reducing gastric reflux, serving as a remedy for wounds and burns, helping with insomnia, enhancing sexual vitality, and preventing cancer. In ancient times, such as in ancient Egypt, honey was used for mummification and preserving bodies. Honey has numerous medicinal properties and was used for wound dressing and disinfection. Some articles indicate that in ancient Egypt, a mixture of honey and wheat was used in place of alcohol. Today, scientists have recognized the benefits of natural honey and utilize it for various purposes. In addition to honey itself, there are also many uses for the beehive, or honeycomb. In ancient times, such as in ancient Egypt, honey was used for mummification and preserving bodies. Honey has numerous medicinal properties and was used for wound dressing and disinfection. Some articles indicate that in ancient Egypt, a mixture of honey and wheat was used in place of alcohol. Today, scientists have recognized the benefits of natural honey and utilize it for various purposes. In addition to honey itself, there are also many uses for the beehive, or honeycomb. Like other natural substances, it is important to maintain a balance in honey consumption. One of the drawbacks of honey is that excessive intake can lead to increased blood sugar levels and allergic reactions due to its high antibody content. It is also worth noting that honey should not be given to children and infants under 2 years old, as the presence of botulinum spores may not be digested properly in their stomachs and can lead to poisoning. Since honey is rich in antioxidants, sugars, acids, minerals, and vitamins, careful consumption is advised, as it may interact with certain medications, including those for kidney and stomach issues. Nevertheless, the benefits of natural honey outweigh its drawbacks.